So today we have reached BMC and Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus of Mumbai. So today we will first show you the building of BMC. BMC is also known as Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. It is the governing civic body of Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra. It is India's richest municipal corporation. The BMC's annual budget exceeds that of some of India's smaller states. It was established under the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888. BMC has been formed with function to improve the infrastructure of town. Now let's see the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, which is a historical railway terminus and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mumbai. The old or former name of Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is Victoria Terminus.